Well, hello. I'm trying hard not to touch the camera stand because it seems to make it wobble. Anyway, this is one of my bromeliads. Actually, it's a pink quill. The other one, it's not that it didn't make it. These never do. The little pups it puts out are what we separate. If you recall, we've done that before. If you can see down in there. So basically the other one didn't have an opportunity to grow. So we're going to take it out. And what I'd like to do, I'm going to do it now actually, is add a little bit of that peroxide and alcohol water. Just to make it a little easier to deal with. And just to kill off anything because we're going to reuse the soil. And all I really want to do is break this away from the main mother plant, which I didn't do that great of a job. Ooh, because it is so dry. So oh, this almost was too rotted. I noticed when I brought this in here that it was happier with lower light than it was with the bright light it was under out there. I don't know how well this is going to do. I may have waited too long. So what we're going to do is just probably be easier. Break off all the soil in here. Sorry about that. It's really important though that I'm going to take this off. It's really important though to get all the dirt you can out of it. Hold on. Okay, now that we removed the mama, I'm going to go ahead and use the same little jar. Put the soil back in. Oh, you saw it's not going to fit in there. Okay, what I'm going to do is let it sit in that for a little bit. A lot longer than a little bit. What I'm going to actually do is set these in here, just like that. I'm not too sure how long it's going to take them, and I'm not too sure about this one right here. I'm not too sure how far gone that one is. But we're going to hope for the best. And what we're going to do is let it sit in here for a little bit. You'll have to pardon me. A little bit of a summer cold. It's not summer anymore, is it? Fall. Okay, and the thing about these is they like to be watered more along the foliage of the plant than they do the base of the plant. They're almost like an air fern as far as needing very, very little water. I just poured all this on there because it was peroxide water, and I wanted to sterilize everything. So I'm basically going to take it out, put it back in there, and there you have it. We'll see how well it worked out for it later, but there we separated it out. Anytime you want to fill everything in the soil, use 3% peroxide, just about a half a teaspoon. And a half a teaspoon, 97% alcohol, and a little spray bottle. And see, of course, I'm going to spray them down again. Make sure I kill off anything that could be bothering them. And then when they're completely dry, I'll put them back under the grow lights. I noticed they don't require the high light that I've been having on them. Matter of fact, they're not very happy with it at all. They grow better in lower light, so I have to find somewhere where it has lower light. What I wanted to do as an experiment, if you don't mind, was, I don't know that this is going to work. Then again, I never do. But I wanted to see if there would be any seeds in here. And if so, what would happen if we planted them in here? But I'm probably going to speed this part up for you. Well, I'm not too sure, but we're going to find out. And that's the last of it for me. Next time I'll show you how to supplement everything back into the soil that you just killed. Basically with recharge and the one shot. But I didn't want to put any, I should have put recharge on it, but I didn't want to put any fertilizer on it just yet. So we'll see if that kicks out any little baby ones. But that is the life cycle of the plant. There's not a whole lot you could do about that. The middle part always dies off. I just might have waited too long. So you have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll speak with you later. Bye.